Hello everybody, my name is Bikini and I'm 14 years old. I am a student of Edward International School. I have been learning English at Edward International School since June 2024. Before I start my presentation, let me pay our respects to Mr. Kankam, Principal of Edward International School, teacher and our beloved friends. The topic is about communicating some pair. So let's go to my topic. Number one, place our both palm together and the chest level. When we salute our friends who have the same age. Number two, place our both palm together and the mouth level. When we salute our bosses, older person, or higher ranking people. Number three, place our both palm together and the nose level. When we salute our parents, grandparents, and teachers. Number four, place our both palm together and eyebrows level. When we salute king or monks. Number five, place our both palm together and the foreheads level. When we pray to the god or sacred statues. Finally, I can say that Edward International School already offers knowledge, knowledge, discipline, and success to all students. I would like to say thank you everybody for paying attention to my speaking today. Wish you all the best. Thank you. ជំរាបសួរក៏ដូចជាសួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះផងដែរខ្ញុំចង់មករៀបរាប់អំពីរបៀបសំពះរបស់ខ្មែរដែលរបៀបសំពះទាំងអស់នោះគឺមាន5របៀបរបៀបសំពះទី1គឺសំពះកម្ពស់ដើមទ្រូងសំពះមិត្តភ័ក្តិឬក៏អ្នកដែលមានអាយុស្មើគ្នារបៀបសំពះទី2កម្ពស់មាត់សំពះអ្នកដែលមានវ័យចាស់ជាងឋានៈធំជាងឬក៏ចៅហ្វាយនាយរបៀបសំពះទី3កម្ពស់ច្រមុះសំពះមេដាបិតាឬក៏គ្រូបាអាចារ្យរបៀបសំពះទី4កម្ពស់ចិញ្ចើមទាំងពីរសំពះព្រះមហាក្សត្រឬក៏វត្ថុស័ក្តិសិទ្ធិជាទីសក្ការៈរបៀបសំពះទី5កម្ពស់ថ្ងាសំពះចំពោះព្រះរតនត្រ័យឬក៏ការបួងសួងផ្សេងៗជាចុងក្រោយខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានតាមដានវីដេអូនេះរហូតដល់ចប់សូមអរគុណនិងសំណាងល្អ